Begin configuring your feed from the content menu by selecting the Traffic Maps tile. In the next window, you'll see a preview on the left where you can see changes to your feed. To the right of the preview, set a custom name for the feed. Enter a location. Location can be defined by postal code, city and state, city and country, or latitude and longitude. Click the Customize this feed button to make further customizations. Choose your style from preset buttons, or further customize by choosing the Custom Style button. Available style customizations are a list of preset fonts, colors for background, text, intro background, or intro text, a pattern for the background, solid, circles, or dots, and colors for the pattern, primary and accent. Set the level of animation as full quality, minimal, or off. Choose an intro style, background, and custom message. Set the intro duration. Default is 5 seconds. Map zoom level, sponsor text, logo, language, and fallback text. Fallback text will show if no data is returned for the location. Set your delivery method. Available delivery methods are HTML, Media RSS, or Direct URL. Click Create Feed to create your Traffic Maps feed. This feed is included in the Everything plan. Learn more about subscriptions and the Everything plan at screenfeed.com/pricing or click on the video. Did you know that ScreenFeed is more than just ready-made feeds? We are your custom data integration and design partner in the digital signage space. Learn more about our full-service creative engineering at screenfeed.com.